Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money online Clickbank using Facebook. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my tips and strategies to build a successful business online. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So now I'll be giving you my step-by-step instructions as to what you have to do to make money online using Clickbank and Facebook. So you must be thinking I'm gonna tell you about the same old rehashed method of Facebook groups and all. Yes, we will be going into Facebook groups, but I'm going to give you some different strategies to get maximum engagement out of those groups. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I don't want you to miss out any of the steps. So now, the very first thing which you have to do is to log into Clickbank and go in the marketplace to find out the offer which you are going to promote. So let's say you're going to promote an offer related to health and fitness. So we'll just open up the health and fitness niche, and we will sort the results by popularity. It is by default sorted using that, and we'll be picking up one product. So let's say we have picked up this lean belly breakthrough. Okay, so first we'll open up the affiliate page. We'll have a look at the sales page of the product. Okay. And this is the affiliate page where you get all the information regarding the product that will help you to promote it. So you'll get the banners, you'll get the emails, and sometimes you also get the videos. So it's always good to have check out the information given on the affiliate page. Now, what we will be doing, we will be capturing the email address of people on Facebook and send them to this particular offer. So now what you have to do, you need to create an opt-in page, something like this, where you'll be capturing the name and the email address of the person, and as soon as they click on the button to sign up or to go to the next step, they will be directed to the sales page using your affiliate link. So in order to get the affiliate link, you need to go back to the Clickbank, click on promote, and then you need to click on this button to generate hop links, and this is the link which you have to promote. So now coming back to this opt-in page. So this is the opt-in page. I use ClickFunnels to build all my opt-in pages and thank you pages, but you can use any of the software or any of the plugin of your choice. I use ClickFunnels because it is very easy and very user friendly. I don't have to spend much of my time in building these kind of pages. So you can just change anything. You can get the idea of the headline from the affiliate tools. You can use the banners. You can use the headline from the banner. Doctor's 2-minute ritual for shocking daily belly fat loss. So you can put that over here as the heading, and you can then link it to your autoresponder. I use GetResponse to collect the email addresses. So the reason for collecting the email addresses is that we can contact those persons later on with the same offer, or we can promote different products to them. So on this page, we are also going to offer them a freebie that is called a lead magnet. So basically what we'll be telling the people on this page, based on the offer, what we are promoting, that's for the fat loss. So we are going to give them a free guide or free video uh, as a free gift for signing up. So once they click on sign up, they will get the offer in their email and they will be directed to the sales page of the offer. And in order to get the freebie, you can go to a website called bigproductstore.com, and from here you can purchase any of the product. These are all the PLR product, which means that you've got the private label rights for these products. So you can buy a health related ebook or some video course. Let's say health. See what all things are available for health here. So we have got this functional fitness pack. We have got the video upgrade, joint health. We've got ebooks, and we've got plenty of stuff related to the health. So depending on the offer, you need to pick up the freebie which you're going to give to your potential customer. And now what we will be doing, we'll be going to Facebook. And we'll be going to different groups. We are not going to spam the users with our link, so make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be telling you what exactly we'll be doing. So let's say fat loss tips. So these are all the different groups which you can join, and the idea for joining these groups is that we are going to find out what people are requesting. We need to find out the answers. So let's say this is that fat loss group which you have joined, and in the group you will see different people asking different questions. They may be having some problem. So what you have to do, you have to find that particular question, that particular thread where people are discussing. And if someone is requesting something related to the freebie or offer which you are promoting, then what you have to do, you need to record a simple video on your phone telling them, okay, something like this: hey, this is Saurabh, and I saw your question in one of the Facebook groups where you're asking about so and so. So I've got some information. I've got some free product for you, which you can check it out, and I hope that will help you. So the idea of recording the video is it's gonna create, a personal touch. That the person has made an effort to record a video and send it to me, and you're going to record the video and send that video to that particular person using the message feature. You're not going to post a video in the comments in the thread which is already ongoing. So you need to message that person with the video and the link for your opt-in page. Yes, you need to send this link so that they can download the freebie, and once they download the freebie, on the next page they will be directed to this home page of the product which you are actually promoting. So this is one of the best ways to promote Clickbank products on Facebook. I personally tried this method and it really works. So you can try this method in different niches and different groups. Make sure you're not spamming your links in Facebook. You are going to send the videos on the message. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure to like this video, and if you want to check out my #1 method of making money online, it's in the description down below. You can again check it out. So guys, if you have any question about any of the steps which I have told you in this video, please ask me in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.